Hi everyone, this is Lena Vo. I'm here at the site. It's called Vera Vista, and the house of my client is being built here. And look at this green belt backyard. It looks so beautiful. I hope the flowers will be still gonna be here when the house is completed building. So let's take a look at the progress of where the house is. So this is the one story, and I am standing in the back yard, and here is a little covered patio. 1 story, 3 bedrooms and 2 baths, and this house is about 1,550 square feet. Walking in, they're still not putting the sheetrocks yet, so here the sheetrocks are going to be put on windows. This is a little island for the kitchen, and this area is going to be the kitchen. As you can see, the little hole going outside there is actually where they are connecting the hood from the microwave or from the vent hood, right? And this little area here, as you can see, it's just a skeleton, but it's going to be a pantry in the future. So this is where all the dry food and condiments and whatever needed, cereals and food for breakfast going to be in there. And it's so hard to tell which room is which if you don't know what the floor plan is. The front there is to the back door to the patio, and there are 3 windows, and this area going to be a family entertainment area with the open floor plan to the kitchen as well. And so if I walk over here and look out there, that is actually the main front door, and to the left of me would be a washer and dryer area, and this is the door to the garage, okay? And this is the unfinished garage with sheetrock in there as well. So the main door entrance right here, normally I go from the front door to the back, but I'm doing the opposite right now because I'm so excited to see what the green belt can be like. So this is the front door. Walking out and going back in. So the front door is right there, and as you can see the ceilings, styrofoam. Mattresses is really good about insulation. So you can see that they spray the styrofoam on the top of the ceiling and on the side here. This actually keeps the heat or the air in, and so it's energy conservation, and it's also noise improvement as well. So Mattresses is really good on doing the insulation of the house. So a lot of money saving in the summertime if you run the AC a lot, and in the winter time if you turn on the heat. Okay, so when buying a house, that's something that you have to look into, making sure that the house is quality and insulation is good. That way you can save money in the long run, right? So this is the very first room, and with that window looking outside, and here is actually the closet. So I'm seeing that they have spray foam everywhere, which is good. Some builder only do the spray foams outside exterior walls only, but this home I'm seeing that they doing it, at the front entry and by the garage and everything. So, and here is the first bathroom, and that's a bathtub going to be in this area. It's going to be a sink right here. So that bedroom number 1 here, and the bathroom and the bedroom number 2 going to be right here. That's going to be shared, right? So, and then this is also going to be a closet. The main closet entry is right here. As you can see all the sticks. It's kind of hard to imagine what it looks like, but when they put sheetrocks on, everything's going to look the way that you imagine, like it is on the floor plan draw. Okay. So I'm coming down here to the kitchen. It's on the left again. The family room area with 3 windows, and enter in this area will be a little hallway here, and on the left side will be the master bedroom. Okay, the master bedroom have the big window right here, and it's also insulated. Look at the view. I love the flowers out there and the green, which is really nice. Beautiful sky today, and this is going to be the master bedroom. All right. So, and here is going to be the big master suite. Okay, so that is the garden tub, and then the standing shower. Right now they don't have anything installed yet. It looks kind of funny, but we're gonna come back and visit it in a few maybe in a couple of months. Everything will be back up. Here is a little area for a toilet, a private toilet in the master bedroom. And this area, see how they have the pipe sticking out here? That's going to be one sink, and this is going to be another sink. So it's going to be a double sink with a mirror on top here for the master bedroom. And here is a closet. Okay, because this is a smaller home, so you're not expecting a really big master suite and everything, but this is going to be a family home, you know, like for first home buyer or a family that has 1 or 2 kids to max, to live in here. Is really cozy and pretty insulated and energy saving. So if anybody looking for a Meritage home or have any questions on homes that is quality and 1 story or any home basically, you have any questions about, you know, what is being put in there when they build and how long it's going to take, etc. A home like this normally take about 6 months to be built from the day that you choose the lot, and then you also choose the stuff from the design center, so all the materials and color and all that from the design center. So it's probably going to take you about 6 months from the beginning to done. All right, so you have any questions, just go ahead and call or text me or private message me, or subscribe into this channel to hear the latest information. So this is the front of the house, you guys, and they are working on